Saturday, August 14th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. After installing the security camera, I have a cord exposed and I don't like it. So you don't always have to drill holes in walls to hide cords. You can use something simple like this. It's a lot easier. Comes with screws and tape. I don't need that much, maybe 10 inches or so. Then I'll add a corner piece and then add a piece to the corner piece. Again, I'm just hiding this one cord. It's not a big deal. Here's the tape. It's real sticky, so be careful. Depending on what you're doing, you might need these pieces, just extra stuff. And again, this isn't complicated. Here are your directions. I think if you can walk and chew gum at the same time, you'll be okay. So when you open the box, you'll see a lot of pieces like this. They're all the same length, and you'll just cut them down. Again, you might need to add some, you might need to cut them. It's not hard. If I can do it, you can do it too. You'll discover very quickly how to add the piece to your elbows or other attachments. There's a clip inside that keeps it from going all the way down. Remember, you'll be adding another piece to the elbow if you need it. Of course, you'll have to measure, but take into account the accessories you added to the track. Keep that in mind. Looks like I'll need about 9 3/4 of an inch worth of Raceway track. There's my mark. Here's my saw. Almost went through like a knife going through butter. You'll be okay. See? So far, so good. I got lucky. I could use the piece I cut off to add to the elbow. So all this is working out extremely well so far. And I wanted to stop by the frame and then I'll just run the line. Might need to do some more cutting. I'll figure it out. I marked where the piece is going to go. So now I can place the tape in between those lines. Let me show you how to open this up once you put it together. It simply slides. Again, this is not difficult at all. I'm getting there. I keep having to open this thing up so I can access the cord. Depending on what you need or how you run your cords, this might look different for you. Ended up like this for me. Time to add the tape, and again, this comes with screws and anchors. Depends on what you prefer. I'd rather use the tape for this project. I won't be putting any under here. I don't need it for that part. This is very strong. You would think I use screws or nails. Very sticky. This track isn't moving at all. I'll run the rest of the cord along the frame. Keep it in place by using the staples. These are great. Use them for this type of stuff all the time. I almost forgot about the bracket. Have to add it now because I can't put a staple here. All right, folks, it's the next day. Don't get me wrong, this is easy to do, but I discovered a bend in the blind here. It exposes the staples. I don't want them seen. I'm okay with the right side, but up here, no. Then I thought, why not tape the cord to the frame? And by the way, I damaged it, so it has to go. Got this tape from Dollar Tree. Looked for some at Home Depot. They didn't have any like that. So it worked out well. Turned out exactly the way I wanted. So now it's time to add the blind. This isn't moving. That tape is great. Let's finish up. You know, these small projects don't turn out as easy as you would like. I had to remove the old brackets because the new blinds wouldn't fit in them. And of course, I had to put some new brackets up to hold the new blind. Anyway, like the results. Thanks for watching. You guys have been great. Take care. Bye.